What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage. Got another one here for you today. This is our 2009 Honda Pilot that we just picked up. Man, you want to talk about a deal. We got a deal on this thing. As you can see, it's finished in that kind of bronze beige color. Pretty good shape. Not too terribly beat up. She's got some miles on her though. We got a fairly new general off-road, all-terrain, general grabbers, that's it. They're in good shape. As far as body damage goes, we have a little dent, a little swipe there. You may have noticed on the front missing a fog light. Not real sure what happened there. Someone got into the front bumper. It's got the tow pack. This is an EXL. One owner, no accidents. Even though we have had a few bumps. Yeah, you can see fog light. It's either hanging inside here, which it may be, or it's gone. Yeah, we got a little bumper we got to work on there. Somebody bumped something. We need to do the headlights. But y'all, we got this thing cheap. I'm talking a couple of $1,000s. It's got 240,000 miles, almost $250,000. But the timing belt, water pump, all the tensioners, all that stuff was done about 20,000 miles ago. Lots of good service history again on the Carfax on this one. And plus, this thing is in great shape. This is the only bum spot. And we're just going to put a piece of duct tape on that. Nice and neat. Get some beige duct tape and just kind of cover that up. That should be fine. But I mean, look at this driver's seat. Driver's seat's got a little wear here. But I mean, overall, this thing's almost 250,000 miles. This thing is in great shape. Great shape. Rear seats aren't ass whipped. Carpet's black, which is always a good color. But still clean. This thing doesn't even have the floor mats in it. Third row, looking good. Nice and clean back there. This is just a clean rig. Let's start her up. Just fires her right up. This is a cold start. This thing's been sitting all night. There's the timing belt sticker. Done in 2021. Does that not run great? Just a great running engine. Looks like we got a reasonably new battery. I don't see a date. Yeah, 1021. So reasonably new. Let's take this baby for a ride. I like this thing. This thing's really, it's really good. 237,000. Got the heated seats. I love these little baby gear shifters on these things. It's a little hard to find your gear, but I do like them. Oh, and 2009, there was a backup camera up here. Look at that. The rear view mirror. It helps a little, but it's pretty useless overall. But it's better than nothing, right? Better than nothing. Let's take this one for a ride. I don't want any climate control. Let's turn this off. Where is off? I just want off. Off. There it is. Yeah, we're warming up to about 50 degrees today. Sweltering. Yeah, this is a cool rig. I like this rig. I don't like it as much as the Lexus. Do not. Lexus is just just smoother over the bumps, not quite as abrupt. This one rides a little firmer, a little harsher. This is a two-wheel drive Pilot. It's the EXL. We got the books. We got the window sticker. We got everything on this bad boy. And it does just run and drive really well. Very pleased with this one. We'll take her up here to the interstate, get her on the interstate, take her for a little scoot, get her up to speed, see what she'll do. Heat's hot, AC's cold, got dang good heated seats. I mean, that joker's on low and it is blistering me already, and I'm getting hot. So I got to find me I have to get me some climate control here. Climate control stuff's right up there. Come on down, baby. Yeah, there we go. I think we got a pretty good little radio on this one too. Got good clear sound. Yeah, got a good one in this one as well. I thought there was a way I could sync the two of these climate controls. Let's get her out here on the freeway, stretch her legs a little bit. Holy crap. Tractor trailers, why are y'all right there? Jeez, man, I just had to cut the guy off behind me. I mean, he's missing a front bumper. I mean, did I take it off? I'm curious now. Oh, man. Man, this thing's got ice cold AC. Woo-wee, baby. Pretty smooth out here on the open road. Nice little cruiser. Man, that's a good looking 4x4 Sanctuary Sprinter van. That looks cool. I like that. Those Sprinter vans are great, man, for those people that want to go off-grid. Excuse me. There's Chattanooga. One thing I've noticed on this one, say compared to the RX, the hybrid 400 we got, the RX feels like it is a much more powerful vehicle. This feels a little underpowered. I mean, it's not terrible. it still scoots down the road pretty good. But I just noticed back there, like on that hill and that incline, it really was kind of struggling to get up it without wanting to downshift in almost 2 gears. Now, you know, I don't know what the horsepower is on these things. I imagine it's over 250. But this transmission is smooth. You can't even feel it shift. The engine's smooth and quiet. And the overall truck is just quiet and smooth. I mean, no vibrations. Just, really just a delight to drive. Very impressed for the miles. I mean, 237,000 miles. I mean, it really drives well. But that's one thing we do when we buy our cars. When we see something that catches our eye and, you know, gets our attention, the very first thing we do is hook it up to the scanner to pull codes and run a Carfax. And Carfaxes, you know, they can be, I mean, if you go to the Carfax website, I think they sell them for like $40 a piece. Or you can buy like 4 or 5 for $100. But there's websites out there where you can get a Carfax for $5 or $6, and that's what we do. You know, and you know, we want to see service history, man. That is the key to it. And you know, it shows up on the Carfax, which is great. And you know, accidents, you know, they're negotiable. You know, we don't want to see anything that says anything like structural damage or a severe crash, which will be highlighted in red. But any kind of moderate to minor accident, you know, we're okay with, as long as, you know, we walk around the car and we can tell that it's been repaired well. You know, it's just common sense stuff. Just use your brain. And service history. And plus, I don't like to buy cars that have multiple owners. I mean, you know, a car that's got 5, 6, 7 owners. No, I start getting a little shaky at 4. You know, 1, 2, and 3 owner cars, especially if they're a little older, I'm cool with that. Because, you know, a lot of people are like me, you know, they buy a car, keep it for a year or 2, and then they just sell it and go to something else used. Oh, this should be fun. We got someone creeping to get on the interstate, so we're going to have to, what are we going to have to do here? Oh my God. That was weak. I was going for a good pull, but I can't do it. Man, here we go. Pulling now, baby. Just roll out, man. Oh, I forgot my gas lights on. And last night it said 30 miles. I bet I burned 15 of them. Oh boy, not good. Not good. I better get this thing back quick. Well, there you have it, guys. The 2009 Honda Pilot EXL. Thing window stickered for 35 grand new in 09. Boy, that was a lot of money. But hey, a new Tahoe was probably that much or more in 09. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think about the Honda Pilot with 250,000 miles. Are these things pretty good? I mean, it appears to be a great car. Do these things, have I read something about transmission woes on these as they get older? Or am I dreaming that? If so, it doesn't seem to be affecting this one. So I won't talk about it too much and jinx it. But What are your comments and thoughts on the '09 Honda Pilot? Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys with the next one. Peace.